Namaste. Welcome to Tea Yoga and Life and another beautiful session on pranayam. In this session, we are going to do Shitli pranayam. Shitli means cool, something which can bring cooling and relaxing effect to your body and also mind and nervous system. Before we start, let's talk about the benefit part. It helps in reducing when you have high fever, also very good for controlling high blood sugar when you keep doing every day from 5 to 10 minutes. Also, it helps in balancing your three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. And there are many other benefits also. And also, it helps in insomnia, sleeping disorders. Now, we should take little bit precaution when exactly we don't have to do it. So people who have cough and cold, they should avoid it because the main aim of cooling Shitli pranayam is bringing calmness and bringing soothing cold thing inside the body and reducing the heat. So first sit comfortably in Sukhasana position with crossed legs where the feet are touching the ground, spine straight, relax your shoulder, head straight, and you can close your eyes to go a little bit more deeper in concentration. So first you are sitting in Sukhasana with your spine neutral position. Take your tongue outside. And after that, curl your tongue from both sides, the way I'm doing. So once your tongue is outside and you have curled tongue, start inhaling through mouth with the curled tongue. Close your lips and start exhaling through nose slowly and calmly. Now I will take 5 to 7 breaths here. Just keep watching me. Once you are done with your 5 to 7 breath, come back to your natural breath and stop taking inhale through mouth. Relax for few seconds with your natural breath for round 1. And then you can go to round 2 and round 3. But always take little bit break with your own natural breath. So this was Shitli Pranayam for all those people who can make their curl tongue. And then there is a variation in it. People who cannot make their curl tongue the way I'm doing, they can do Sitkari Pranayam by taking their teeth closer to each other the way I'm doing. And then start inhaling through teeth and also from the corners of your mouth. Close your mouth and exhaling through nose slowly and calmly. We will take 5 to 7 breath again for round 1. If you are done with your 5 to 7 breath, with the variation when your teeth are closed and you are taking the inhale through the corners of your mouth and in between the teeth, come back to your natural breath. Inhale and exhale naturally. And you can go to round 2 and round 3 again for 5 to 7 breaths. So this was Sheetali and Sitkari Pranayam for all the people who want to enjoy the cooling and relaxing of breath. Hope you liked it. People who have liked my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And in my next video, I will come up with my another pranayam session. Till then, namaste.